Hello, this is a room tour of Deluxe Inside 10090. It is an inside room, like I just said, on MSC World America. When you come inside, here's all your safety information. Muster Station D, that's down on deck 6 in the World Galleria, right there in the middle of the ship. Have a bathroom to your right. The bathrooms on World America are nice, however they are quite tight. You have the pod for the shower. This right here can provide a little bit of an awkward situation if you're trying to use the bathroom. Come on. 2 little shelves. Okay, as far as the room goes, air conditioning, let's turn that all the way down. They do have a do not disturb makeup room. You have to put your key card in or a working MSC card. It can be an older one, but it has to be one with the RFID chip in it. Floor to ceiling mirror. There's the desk area. It does have a stool, 2 shelves. They have a 110 USB, USB-C, another 110, and then 2 European plugs. A drawer with a hair dryer. Mini bar option. This stuff in here is not free, so you can ask your room steward to take that out. The room comes with a chair. You get a pretty nice closet for 2 people. 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, 2 drawers. There is a king bed. Both sides of the bed have a 2-shelf book nightstand, USB-C, and the lamp. Here's the other side. Same thing. This room is very spacious. You got a nice, it's probably 39-inch TV, maybe 40-inch. Very nice room, very spacious room. It's going to do just fine on World America. This is at Deluxe Inside 10090. I want to take this opportunity to show you how we unpacked as a couple with the space that we were provided. So let's take a look at the closet. Here's how we did the closet. I put my clothes up top. Used this one. Amanda used those. We hung up what we needed to hang up. Shoes down there. And these 2 drawers is all of our stuff we're going to use in the ports. Snorkels, towels, whatever else we might need. And then we got our clothes basket right there. We use the shelves by the mirror like this. Vitamins, water bottles, hair straightener, our electrolytes, the fans, and then under the bed is our suitcases. You can kind of see it down there, but
they fit.
Suitcases. But we hope that helps you have a good strategy for this room. Unpacking.